Hi guys, it's Hani here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I decorated these cool 2021 eyeglasses cookies. These would be great for New Year's Eve celebrations. Let me show you how I made them. To make this shape I used 4 cookie cutters. Then I baked the cookies, and now I'm tracing an outline on a cookie with an edible marker using a simple paper template. To decorate, I will be using royal icing, and I'm going to start by piping a squiggly line in the middle of each number and letting this line crust. This line is going to create a support beam, as I call it, so when you pipe icing on top of it, it's not going to sink in, it's going to prevent cave-ins. Now we can spread black and gray royal icing using a food-only paintbrush. Apply a thin layer of icing and then gradually shade it so it's lighter on one side and darker on the other side, and then immediately dust the top portion with gold sanding sugar. Isn't that pretty? To decorate the letters, I'm going to use 20-second consistency white royal icing, and I'm going to outline and flood both of the twos, and then I'm going to let it crust for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we can flood 0 and number 1. Both recipes for sugar cookies and royal icing, and also tips on how to create different consistencies, can be found on my blog as well as on my YouTube channel. Links are posted in the description box under the video. Now I'm going to let the icing dry completely, and then we can outline and flood the frame. To decorate the frame, I'm using same white icing that I used for the numbers, and we're going to use rainbow nonpareils to decorate the frame. To accentuate the numbers, I'm adding another layer of icing on top of each number. I'm using electric pink royal icing. First outline each letter, and then we're going to pipe those squiggly lines in the middle, letting those crust, and then we can fill in with 20-second consistency royal icing. Use a scribe tool to agitate the icing and to smooth it out, accentuate the corners. And here they are, 2021 eyeglasses cookies. I love how these turned out. And guess what? You still have few more days to make these for your New Year's Eve celebration. I know 2020 hasn't been the greatest of the years, to say at least. It's been a turbulent one with surprising twists and turns along the way. And so with that, I wanted to wish you guys happy and healthy New Year. Stay positive, create, and I will see you next year.